get it tonight.
Hey, what's up guys, Jackjackhd here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this number on the top of your build reset button. Now this is another really short tutorial, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. So before we get started, make sure you guys leave a like on this video, subscribe if you are new, and let's get right into it. So the number on the top of the button is the amount of charges that you have left for your build reset. I think it's a really cool concept. I didn't think of this myself. I've seen, 1v1 maps out there that have this mechanic, and obviously I know how to, make it. All right, so if you go on the other side, I actually pulled it out of the button here. We got the score manager. The score manager is what we use in order to have this, number on the button. Now to find the score manager, all you need to do, go into devices. And here is the score manager. So if you go into the settings, here are the settings that we need for the score manager. Score value, we have it set to, the amount of times we have the build reset. And in order to know how many times you can, click on the build reset button, you just got to count how many times you place down a objective device. Or if you use the explosive device for your build reset button, just count how many explosive devices you have for your build reset. So in the score value after 15, it actually bumps it up by 5 every, tick. But for myself, I have exactly 35 build resets, 35 objective devices, so I'll have this score value set to 35. If you don't have the right amount of numbers for your build reset, I recommend removing your objective devices, removing your build resets, or adding more build resets in order to have the right number for this score value. Score word type, have this set to set. Score change when activated, set it to -1. Visible in-game, turn this to yes. Activate when receiving from, have this set to the channel that's the same as your button. So go into your button settings and go to when interactive with transmit on. Make sure that this, the channel is the same as this. And once you have it the size that you want, you can go ahead and fit it into your button, just like so. Then obviously if you want it on the other side of your ramps where you have another set of buttons, you can go ahead and select the score manager using the right on the D-pad, then select the floor underneath you. Grab that with the right trigger, go and place it on the other side, just like so. So once everything's done, it should look like this. Now, if you have a working build reset button, you can go ahead and test it out for yourself. Every time you click on the build reset button, 1 point is retracted from that score manager. One more build reset charge. There you go, out of build reset charges. Round will end. Oh. Now, if you want to know how to end the round automatically, just like what was shown, I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. So here are the two devices that actually end the round. What you got to do is go to your last explosive device for your, your last build reset, and go into the options. The option you'll need is when destroyed, have this set to a channel you haven't used before. So for example, for myself, channel 119. So again, this is my last explosive device, or like last build reset, and I use the objective device. Same thing you got to do if you use the explosive device mechanic. Go into options and then just go to when exploded, transmit on, and just set it to the option that you haven't used before. So 119 for example. Once you have that set, what you gotta do next, you're gonna need a timed objective. So in the devices, timed objective. With the timed objective, here are the options. Timer label text, have it set up to however you like. I have it set to out of build reset charges, round will end. Visible during game, set this to no. Urgency mode disabled. I find urgency mode is really annoying. Start when receiving from, have it set to the same settings that we had set for objective device or the explosive device. When completed, transmit on, have this set to another channel that you haven't used for a map yet. Next, what you're gonna need is a team settings and inventory. So in devices, team settings and inventory. Place it somewhere around your map. End round when receiving from, have this set to 120. From there, that is pretty much it. That is how to set up the end game mechanic. From there, what you're going to need, if you don't have it already set, in My Allen and the game settings, make sure that total rounds is not 1. Make sure that has multiple rounds. For my map, I have it set to 5 rounds. For the end game mechanic, it's kind of important to have rounds. And there you go. That is pretty much it. That is how to set up the end game mechanic. And also, how to have a build reset charges indicator at the top of your build reset button. We test it out. So once you run out of build reset charges, round will end. And then the round ends. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for new content from me. Use code JackJackhd in the item shop if you do want to support me. Greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, guys. Peace.